This is my precious.
First time on camera.
First time making your debut. Morning, Irish Jim. How we doing, champ?
I'm good. Merv, how are you keeping, my man?
Good, good, good. So we're here today in Henley. What we got on, I've heard there's a bit of a bonanza.
What we're doing is we're doing the front roof here at the front to clean off some algae and that and get it looking nice and fresh, especially with it being the front facing roof. Then from there we're going on to the back patios, where there's a number of patios on the back where we're going to be freshening up and making it look sweet. So we're doing a little bit of everything today. The only thing we're not doing is the bins.
Big old bonanza race. So you're going to be up in the cherry picker, and who you got? You got Mitch out back.
Mitch will be out the back. He'll be getting the back prepped by doing a soft wash on it, and he'll be getting it ready to go. So once I'm down off the roof, we'll be knocking the back out.
So Mahusive job today, yeah?
Yeah, it's busy, busy, busy.
Full of beans. You feeling good?
Alive and kicking is the best way to put it.
Nice one, Irish Jim. All right, have a good day, mate, and we'll catch up with you as the day progresses.
See you later, guys.
Have a good one. Hello, Mitch. How you doing, champ? How you feeling?
Yeah, first time on camera.
First time making your debut.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Listen, so you're going to be at the back, so what's your tactics, man, at the back?
I'm doing a bit of soft wash on the patio around the back. After that, we've got a bit of chemical appliance to bring stainage out. That's pretty much our day. And now Jim's up, flying in the sky.
Wicked. All right, well, I'm going to set the camera up, get a bit of a time lapse on that patio, so I'll leave you to it, brother.
Nice one.
I'll leave you to it.
See you later.
Have a great day.
Cheers.
Busy day here with LBC. How's it all going? How are you feeling?
It's been an interesting day, to say the least, where one of our machines went down. So we had to go and get a few lads to come over and drop off a different fan to us to keep going with the work. So with that, I got up and I got the roofs up there done. They're looking nice and clean and tidy. And Mitchell, during that time, has put down some soft wash in the back patios, and the back decking. Well, he seemed clean the back decking, and he's seemed clean the back patios as well, and he's brought them up looking pretty sweet as well. So with that, that's what we've gotten through for today, and then we're on to the driveway and the front patios and that tomorrow.
Brilliant. Thanks for your work, Jim, and I'll see you on the next job. Any message
Cheers,
for the
guys.
fans?
Please like, please subscribe, and please comment. And with that, guys, enjoy the videos, enjoy our content, and we'll see you in the next video.